Hi friends, now question is integration of x square into tan inverse of x cube by 1 plus x power 6 into dx. This value, what is the value of? Option A is tan inverse of x cube plus 3 plus c. B 1 by 6 tan inverse of x cube whole square plus c. Option C minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x cube whole square plus c. Option D 1 by 2 tan inverse of x square whole cube plus c. Now in this method, now I am taking, what is the question? X square tan inverse of x cube by 1 plus x power 6 into dx. Now I am converting x square tan inverse of x cube by 1 plus this we can write as x cube whole square into dx. Put x cube is equal to, I am taking t. Okay, now differentiation, this 3x square into is equals to this t, differentiation with respect to x now dt by dx, 3x square into dx is equals to dt. Okay, now only here x square into dx is there. Now x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 into dt. Now I am substitute this value, tan inverse of x cube means I am taking t na, here x square into dx is equals to, okay, now 1 plus t square dx is x square into dx is equals to 1 by 3 into dt. Now 1 by 3 is right outside of the integration. Here tan inverse of t by 1 plus t square into dt. Now again I am taking tan inverse of t is equals to, I am taking another term, means put tan inverse of t is equals to, I am taking u, differentiation with respect to in terms and d na t. So differentiation with respect to t, d by dx of tan inverse of x means 1 by 1 plus x square, means in place of x is equals to t square, is equals to du by dt. This dt is sent to this side, 1 plus t square into dt is equals to du. Okay, now dt by this value we can write as du, 1 by 3 into this we can write as, what is the value of tan inverse of, I am taking here u, here dt by 1 plus t square is equals to what? Du. Now 1 by 3 integration of u square, integration of u into du, formula integration of x into dx is equals to formula x square by 2 plus c, means here u square by 2 plus c, here 1 by 2 3s are 6, u means what is the u? U is equals to tan inverse of what? Tan inverse of t. Here I am taking whole square plus c. In this we can write as 1 by t tan inverse of, here what is the t value? T is equals to what? X cube here whole square plus c. This is the final answer. So option is B is the correct. This is answer.